Our lawsuit challenges recent federal actions targeting healthcare providers who offer medically appropriate care to transgender individuals under the age of 19, even in states like Illinois, where such care is legal and protected. The administration has overstepped its authority by using threats of federal investigation and criminal prosecution under laws that do not apply in this care. These threats have pressured providers to stop offering life-saving care. We are asking the court to block these actions and protect access to care for patients who desperately need it. The federal government's unlawful actions also interfere with the state's authority to protect and enhance the health and well-being of our residents. In Illinois, we have made it clear that seeking or providing health care for transgender youth and adults is not only lawful, but welcome in our state.
I think it's absolutely a totally weak case. And I think, Greg, you're just looking at a strategy that the Pritzker administration has to be the anti-Trump. And so to be really visible as the anti-Trump, whether it be DEI, whether it be immigrant health care, and now on this child transitioning, which is, I think, and I've been strongly opposed to, and you may know this, on the House floor, in my communities, in my community schools, and in medicine, I've been very, very opposed to what I call medical child abuse, and that is gender transitioning, confused and hurting kids, basically emotionally blackmailing parents, telling them that would they rather have a dead child or that's a girl, or a alive child who's a boy who's transitioned to a boy. I mean, it's just emotional blackmail, and the science behind it. I don't take the Attorney General's advice too much on medicine.
Neither of us are medical professionals, but there are medical professionals and there are medical organizations who have all stood by the science of gender affirming care. The American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Academy for Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, the American Medical Association, the American Academy of Family Physicians. Those are organizations amongst many others who are organizations populated by medical professionals and who rely on science of today. And our action is an action for today, and I don't anticipate that medical science changing.
I think it's willfully, ignorant of what's out there in medicine. They're part of an ideology, and this ideology, they cannot give up their argument, because what if they did? I mean, if they did give up the argument, then they would be admitting that they've done the worst thing that they could possibly do. They've mutilated children. They've sterilized children. They've made children have a lifetime of regret of what they've done, and so they can't stop arguing that their point is valid.